Alright, we are live and back for another one. Another good Garmin watch video using the TriSchedule app. Alright, so let's get into this one. So I've had a lot of people asking about how to set up the data screens for running, biking, and swimming. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this on your Garmin watch. I'm rocking the Garmin Forerunner 970, and this video / steps works on any Garmin watch. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to just go to the activity. So let's go to the run activity. Alright, so we are in the run activity here. And so you want to go into run settings. And then there it is, sweet, data screens. So just click that. Alright, so this is the main data screen. And so there are multiple screens. So if you want to just add a new screen, you can do that. So let's add a new screen, and we want custom data. And so the coolest thing is choosing your layout. So how many fields? So if you keep scrolling down, I like quite a few fields on mine. This is my ideal setup here. All right, so now let's choose the different fields. So the first one, as you can see by the little picture on the top, is the first data screen. And what I like to do there is use the heart rate field. And I actually like to do a gauge, so it's just easier to see. All right, now let's get into this one. And for the top left, I actually like to use total distance for this one. So just go to distance. Now to the right of this, I actually like to do elapsed time. So just go into the timer field. And then there is elapsed time. Perfect. Oh, so just click that. Alright, so now the bottom left, I actually like to do lap time for this one. So we'll go with timer and lap time. Perfect. This is great. And then for this one, I actually use core temperature sensor for this one. So core temperature is usually a Connect IQ field. I've not seen that. Let's see what this one has. I don't think it has. This is just temperature from the watch, not the core IQ. Alright, so I think what we'll have to do is I think you have to add the temperature, so I can do that in another video. But hold on, we didn't choose the bottom one. Nope. I don't know why I didn't save that, but alright, let's go through it again. So the top one is a heart rate gauge. And then here we do total distance. Field 3 is total elapsed time. And this one I usually do lap time. So lap time in the bottom left and the bottom right, do temperature. And for the bottom, I actually like to do pace. And alright, so this is where it will be on the watch. Since we just created it, we want to put it at the top. So once you have it at the top, just click the top right button and sweet. There is the professional data screens that the elite runners and elite triathletes use. So make sure you go into your Garmin watch and set it up with these data fields. So pretty cool setup there for the data screens. Alright, now let's get into the cool new TriSchedule app updates. Don't forget to click the link in the description below if you don't have the TriSchedule app. Alright, so here is the latest TriSchedule app. So one of the cool new features is actually the Apple Watch integration. So super cool. Now you can just come to the TriSchedule app and create workouts for your Apple Watch. Or you can go to the training plans right here and just start a training plan, and this will automatically send all the workouts for this training plan to your Apple Watch. So you can change the Apple Watch here. So once it's connected there, you can come down and select Apple, and it will switch it to its device, which is super cool now. So now you can come into the create workout, and this is just an example one. So we'll go ahead and click the save button, and now it has the Apple Sync. So we can just sync this to our Apple Watch and just hit add to watch here. And then click the done button. So super cool new feature. So now we should be able to go to the Apple Watch here and go into workouts. Sweet. There's so we did an outdoor run, I believe is right here. And then if you click the top right button and then you go into custom workout, and boom, there it is. Look at that. So now you can create workouts right from the TriSchedule app, and it'll go right to your Apple Watch. Super cool new feature. So if you have an Apple Watch, make sure you go download the TriSchedule app now. This is game changing. And this is just an outdoor run. The TriSchedule app will also work with the Apple Watch for swims, runs, bike rides, and strength workouts as well. So super cool new integration for the TriSchedule app. Don't forget to go to trischedule.com or click the link in the description below to download the new app, which is available on the TriSchedule app is the name, and it's available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So let me know in the comments if you want help setting up your Apple Watch with the TriSchedule app. So pretty cool stuff here. Alright, so those are the exact steps on how to set up the data screens on your Garmin watch, and also use the TriSchedule app to create workouts for your Apple Watch. So super cool new feature. Also, there's quite a few new viewers on this channel, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and share these videos with your friends. As always, take care. See you in the next one.